The biggest problem with AI video generation is not video quality, it's character consistency. Every new scene feels like a gamble. Faces change, hairstyle change, and the person you started with slowly turns into someone else. Google Flow changes that. In this video, I'll show you how to create a character from real photos and generate AI videos that keep the same face across every scene. Let's jump in. Before we open Google Flow, there's one important thing to do first. Get 3 to 5 high quality photos of your character. Try to get a mix of clear front-facing portrait, a side profile shot, and a couple of different lighting angles. The cleaner and more varied your photos are, the more accurate Google Flow will be at keeping the face consistent. Go to Google Flow, the link is in the description below. Once you're inside, click on New Project to create a new project. On the left hand side, you'll see a characters option. Click on it. In the prompt box, click on the plus icon and upload your character photos. Or you can simply drag and drop them directly into the box. Now describe your character in the text box. Focus on the features that never change. Things like hair color, eye color, face shape, and any other fixed features. Once your description is ready, click on Generate. This will open your character panel. At the top, give your character a name. You can also click on Select a Voice and choose a voice for your character if you want them to speak in the video. In the character info section, you can add any additional description or notes about your character. Once everything is set up, click Done to save your character. This will take you back to your project in Google Flow. Now in the prompt box, type the @ symbol and then start typing the name of your character. You'll see a suggestion list appear. Select the character from that list. Now just describe the scene and the action. Let's try this first prompt. Now click on the video tab and select your video frame size, number of variations, and video duration. Once everything is set, click Generate. Google Flow will now generate your video. Once the video is ready, look at how well character's face is preserved. The facial features are perfectly consistent. Let's try another prompt. The clothing changes, the environment changes completely, but the face is still the exact same character from our original photos. That is the power of Google Flow. Once your video is generated, click on it to add it to the editor. Here you can make any edits you need. Once you're happy with everything, click the download button to save the final video to your PC. And that is it. So that is Google Flow. Now I want to hear from you. Are you planning to animate yourself or a fictional character? Comment below and let me know. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Tweak Library for more AI tool tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Take care.